welcome. Today we are going to learn in Adobe Illustrator how to turn old projects into new ones by taking them apart and reusing the design elements. Here, I have some designs I made for Halloween, but I decided I want to make a door corner piece and have it layered. I'm going to be taking bits from each of these designs to create a whole new one. I will also be using some new tools in this video and techniques that I haven't shown in previous videos. Let's start by taking the ghost from this design. I will be using a tool called the Erase tool. It's found on the left toolbar or by holding Shift and pressing E on the keyboard. If you can't see it, it is in with scissor and knife tool. First select the design you want to break up, make sure you have a backup copy, then select the Erase tool. We just need to cut the object away from the design by drawing round it. If the size of the eraser is too big, you can change it by pressing the square brackets key on the keyboard. It doesn't have to be neat at this point, we only need to separate it from the design. We do the same for the next one. I am also going to take the bat. Once done, change to the selection tool, either from the toolbar or pressing V on the keyboard, select the design and ungroup it. They now are separate objects. Make sure you have completely cut it from the design. Now we are going to tidy them up. To do this we are going to use the pen tool. Press P on the keyboard or select it from the toolbar. With the shape selected and the pen tool equipped, you will see the icon changes. As you hover over the anchor points you will see a minus icon appear. If we click on an anchor like this it will delete it. We can also move the handles with the pen tool equipped. To do this just hold Ctrl while clicking and drag the handle or anchor point. More on this in my previous video on using the pen tool. Work your way around the object and edit any parts you need to using this method. Once complete, do the same for the other shapes you cut out if you have more than one. Now I am going to quickly make the corner. This will be the piece that sits on the door frame. I do this with the pen tool, drawing 2 straight lines. Hold Shift while doing so to keep them straight. Make sure you have the stroke on and not fill for this. Increase the thickness by increasing the weight of the stroke. I have mine set to millimeters as it helps me design. Now we need to expand the shape to make it a filled object, not a stroke. This is so your laser software will see it as a cut object. Do this by selecting Object from the top menu bar, then select Expand, keep Fill and Stroke ticked. Set it to the size you want the design to be. Now I'm going to take these pumpkins, cut them away using the Erase tool, then edit again with the pen tool. I made a duplicate in case I want the design again for anything else. Remember to make sure you select your object so you can edit it. With the tree, some bits were lost, so I copied it and cut off a piece I needed, then united them together. A lot of the next bit I will speed up, as it's all the same process, and I just play with where I want to place pieces. Don't forget to hold Ctrl when moving or editing the handles or anchor points. Also, the object must be selected. You may need to keep switching between the pen tool and select tool. Okay, sorry for the long video, but I wanted to show the whole process. Now this is where we turn it into a new design and layer it. Start by copying and pasting the design, then here I used the Shape Builder tool to tidy up. This method is for, if you just want the whole thing connected but 2 layers, select it all, unite it using the Pathfinder tool. If this is not shown, you can find it in the menu bar by going to Window then selecting Pathfinder. Then release the path and unite it again. You now need to make the design bigger by doing an offset. There is a couple methods here, but I use the stroke. Add the stroke and increase the weight. Then from the object menu at the top, expand it. You will then need to unite again. Place it on top of the other design so it gives you 2 layers. Next I will show how make the object's individual pieces to go on 2 layers. I decided in this design I wanted the spooky as a whole piece, and rest separated, so I used the Shape Builder tool to connect it. Put your pieces where you want them on your design, where you will be gluing them on the layer. Once in place, select the whole design. Now it's the same process as the last one. Copy and paste the design, then unite using the Pathfinder tool. Now add a nice big stroke. We can now expand the stroke as before. Go to the object menu, then click expand. Unite the expanded design again. After click release, this releases all the shapes. Then click Unite again to give us one shape. This is our base layer. Now the second layer is all separated pieces and can be painted differently if you choose, then placed anywhere on your finished cutout design. That's it, all finished. Thanks for watching. I hope it has helped you learn some new tricks.